Please tell me your name.
Sir, Sri Jatin Kumar Singh.
Pura guy, my name is Sri Jatin Kumar Singh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And do you remember your roll number for this exam?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, 310141.
310141?
Sir, 301141.
301 or 302?
302. Sorry, sir.
You have written in the sheet that it is 302141.
Yes, sir.
That is correct?
Yes, sir.
302141?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So, now give me a formal introduction, like you will give in the interview.
Yes, sir. Sir, my name is Sri Jatin Kumar Singh.
Now, सेठी ना कोहा बनी
Yes.
लास्ट ईयर डोमिसाइल भी मना करथले कोहा बनी माने आपण कोडू आछथि
Yes, sir.
तो आपण स्टार्ट करिवे कि हाईएस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन
Yes,
जदि से डोमिसाइल कथा किछ कहबे त सेठी स्टार्ट आई एम फ्रॉम ए जिला
Yes,
ए ब्लॉक कर करिवे जदि से मना कर सेटा कहबे त स्टार्ट करिवे आपनकर ओके यू कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम माय
I have done.
highest qualification सेठी सर
Yes.
I am a PhD in I am a Masters in Forestry
Yes, sir.
from a university. Second asila apanakara current status. So currently I am preparing for competitive exam. Currently I am serving as a
Yes, sir.
scientist SRF job developer.
Yes.
Okay, so that is second. तापरे third है apanakara hobbies. My hobbies are AI
Yes, sir.
developer hobbies. Fourth है achievements. And my achievements include AI and AI.
Yes, sir.
It is a structure of a formal interview,
Yes, sir.
a formal introduction. Okay.
Yes.
So, आप लोग कौन तो हो?
Sir, I have done my post graduation in silviculture and agroforestry from College of Forestry OUT Bhubaneswar. Presently, I am preparing for the competitive examination. My hobby is playing basketball. In my extracurricular activity, I awarded NCC C certificate from Army Wing. That's all, sir.
Okay. So today we'll discuss the details about your biodata,
Yes.
all aspects of your biodata. So let us start with your date of birth.
Yes.
Don't tell me the year, only tell me the date and month.
Sir, 10th May.
Okay, 10th May. So what is the importance of 10th May?
Sir, nothing I found. Sir, किसी पाइले नहीं.
10th May तो पाइले नहीं?
नहीं.
कोई दिन तो WhatsApp
Yes.
करेंगे?
Yes.
ओके मतलब आज ही ये
Yes.
10टा राउंड मन बोल दे ना
Yes.
देखि कहले
Yes.
निश्चित थिबो ठीक अछि सबु 365 days some observation some major personalities will be born
Yes.
तार तो इंपोर्टेंट है बात कर
Yes, sir.
कुछ कर
Yes, sir.
ओके एंड व्हेन इज योर डेट ऑफ इंटरव्यू
Sir, 6th September.
6 सेप्टेम्बर
Yes.
ता विषय कोन तो 6 सेप्टेम्बर रे कोन इंपोर्टेंट हेतिला कि से दिन कोन सेलिब्रेट करबे
Sir, 6th September किसी पाऊ नहीं.
सेटा ही करबे ओके
Yes.
फाइन तो मतलब ये डेट कर
Yes.
ठीक है
Yes.
तो मैं आपको कह देती हूँ कौन सा होगा सब 365 days में नेक्स्ट then let us come to your district your home district is
Baleswar, sir.
Baleswar
Yes.
so from which word Baleswar has been derived can you tell me
Sir, in the Persian word, Baleswar means in the town of, in the city of town.
in the city of
Town.
okay so earlier Baleswar many European powers
Yes.
they had made it as their port also
No, sir. They build the forts.
okay
Yes, sir.
they had built the forts
Yes, sir.
still there these forts
No, sir.
okay okay fine so tell me something about the important personalities from your district from Baleswar
Sir, Fakirman Senapati,
okay
Lakshmi Narayan Sahu, Sir Bagha Jatin, and Sir Radhanath Rai.
okay so you said Bagha Jatin can
Yes,
you
sir.
tell me something about Bagha Jatin
Sir, he is
yes
he is the freedom fighter. He fight bravely for the English of the Britishers.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Yes. About his contribution, he was a freedom fighter. That
Yes,
is
sir.
fine. So I just wanted to know about his contribution.
I don't know, sir.
ସେଠି କହିଲେ ନା ଯୋଉ ନାମଟା ତାଙ୍କୁ
Yes, sir.
ପଚାରିଲେ ତାଙ୍କର କ'ଣ ଅବଦାନ ରହିଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ତ
sir.
ସେଇଟା ଆମକୁ ପୁଣି କହିପାରୁଥିବା ଦରକାର।
Ayan, sir.
ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ତ ଦେଖିଦେବେ ସେଇଟା
Yes.
ବାବା ଜାତିଙ୍କର ଓକେ
Ayan, sir.
ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ନାଁଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତେଣୁ ସେଇଟା ଇଟ୍ ମଷ୍ଟ ବି ଲାଇକ୍ ୟୁ ନୋ ଦ ଡିଟେଲ୍ସ ଓକେ
Yes, sir.
ଫାଇନ୍ ସୋ ବାଲେଶ୍ୱରର କିଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ସ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଯେଉଁଟାକି ମେନଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟରେ ରହୁଛି ନଟ୍ କମନ୍ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ସ ବଟ୍ ଯେଉଁଟାକି ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ସ ଯେଉଁଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ରହୁଛି ଯେଉଁଟାକି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଜିଲ୍ଲାରେ କେବଳ ଆମେ କହିପାରିବା
Sir, the drainage facilities.
ଡ୍ରେନେଜ୍
Yes, sir.
ଆଚ୍ଛା
Sir, ecotourism site.
ଇକୋ ଟୁରିଜମ୍ ସାଇଡ଼୍ରେ କ'ଣ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ଅଛି
Sir, mainly sir transportation and ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର sir ରହିବାରେ sir
ତ ତାକୁ ଆପଣ ଏମିତି କହିବେ କି ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ଲଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ସ୍କୋପ୍ ଫର୍ ଇକୋ ଟୁରିଜମ୍
Yes, sir.
in the district, but due to lack of communication facilities
Yes, sir.
like roads, etc.,
Yes, sir.
ସେଟା fruitful ହେଇପାରୁନି।
Yes, sir.
ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ଏଇ ଟାଇପ୍ର ଆପଣ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କରିବେ
Yes, sir.
ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ଓକେ ଦେନ୍ anything else?
Sir, sir, Goni Garadi, sir. Goni Garadi.
Okay, that is like superstition and
Superstitions.
black magic, etc.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है जी, ସେଇଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର superstition and black magic, etc. Okay, so tell me something about the educational status of your district, like in terms of education.
Yes, sir.
What is the status of your district?
Sir, education sense.
Means what is the percentage of literacy rate,
Yes, sir.
and the women are generally more literate, or
Yes, sir.
those things.
So total literacy rate in Balesar, sir, 78%. The male literacy rate is 81%, and the female literacy is 75%.
Okay.
Yes.
Coming to the administrative divisions,
Yes, sir.
how many like blocks, etc. are there in how many blocks or subdivisions are there?
Sir, in Balesar, 2 subdivisions, and the sir, 12 block and 12 tahsildar.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Yes.
So, tell me something about the forest cover in Balesar. What are the forest resources in Balesar?
So only 9.7% forest cover in Balesar district. The main forest resources are NTFE, such as sal seed, sal leaf, kendu leaf, bahada, harida, ola, etc.
What are the uses of them?
Sir, village people are make plates in the sal leaf, and the edible fruits such as bahada, harida, ola, and they can make the resin of sal. And sir, and etc.
Okay. So, according to you,
Yes, sir.
what are the major changes, okay, that needs to be done in your district? And suppose if you are given an opportunity,
Yes, sir.
how will you do that?
Sir, first of all, I am trying to improve my forest cover area through agroforestry system.
Agroforestry?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then, sir, I am trying to improve my ecotourism sites such as Kuldhya Forest Divisions. So then I am trying to eradicate the black magic in my district, etc.
Okay. Okay. So now coming to your education.
Yes, sir.
So tell me something about your university or schools where you have studied? Where did you complete your 10th standard?
Sir, Balesar Jilla School.
Balesar Jilla School.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And tell me something about your school.
Sir, my school is one of the oldest school which is built at the time of 1857.
Okay.
Yes. So then I am not recalling.
Okay. Then plus 2 you did from which school or?
Sir, I am completed my plus 2 from Fakirman Junior College, Balesar.
Okay, so just tell me something about the contribution of Fakir Moon.
Sir, he is a leading contributions of Odia language and literature.
Okay.
He is also an educator and social reformer.
Okay.
He also known as the Vyasa Kavi Fakirman Senapati.
Okay.
He also earned the title Saraswati from the King of Burma.
King of
Burma.
Burma.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So, what are the, do you know some of his major writings?
Yes, sir.
What are they?
So he wrote 3 novels,
Okay.
such as Reboti, Mamun, and Priyadarshini.
You have read any of these?
No, sir.
Okay.
He also read a newspaper, Balesar Sambada Vahiga.
Okay.
He also wrote some poem such as Odisha Brahmana and sir Dhauli
Okay.
and sir Phulla Pushpa,
Okay.
etc. Sir. He also wrote the short stories also, so known as Chhamana Athunta
Okay.
and sir Randipu Anta,
Okay.
etc.
Okay. Fine. So, then you did your graduation from
Sir, College of Forestry, OUT, Bhubaneswar.
College of Forestry or UPT. Okay. So, why did you choose agriculture or forestry? Sorry, forestry. Why did you choose forestry? You could have like engineering or so many other options are also there.
Yes, sir. Sir, I belongs to Balesar district and specifically in the Nilagiri. So in my childhood I love with nature, and so I am joining forestry. First, yes.
Is that a reason, to join in the sense that you could have become a wildlife photographer? Then that in that way you could have been more close to nature,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So my question is why, why did you choose forestry as one of your subjects instead of so many other options were there? Your friends would have been, there in engineering and other
Yes, sir.
things also. So that was my question.
Sir.
ଏଇଟା ଆପଣ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟଲି କହିପାରିବେ
Yes, sir.
ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ତ କ'ଣ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି କେଉଁ ରିଜନ୍ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ତାକୁ ଇଏ କରିଥିଲେ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୟୁ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟଲି ସେ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ
Yes, sir.
କି ଲାଇକ୍ ମୁଁ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସରେ ମୋତେ ମିଳିଲା ତେଣୁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଜଏନ୍ କଲି ସୋ ଇଟ୍ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଅନ୍ ୟୁ
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି
Sir, ଏଇଟା ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟଲି କହିହେବ?
ହଁ ଆପଣ କହିପାରିବେ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Also, tell me about the insignia of your plus 2 college. आपनकर जो कहले
Yes, sir.
FM Junior College.
Yes, sir.
तो सेथरे आपण कोन तार लोगो insignia मोटो कोन थिला सेटा कि मते बोलतो.
Sir, not like that.
सिगुरा सु देखि
Ah, yes,
जो एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट से आपण पढे छथि ता
Yes.
हिस्ट्री टा कि जानि.
Yes.
Okay. So you know Campa?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, compensatory appreciation fund management and I'm not recalling.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It is established in 2006. Its aim of the campaign is afforestation of the wasteland
Okay.
in our country.
Okay. So, what is the status of Odisha? How we are utilizing our Campa funds
Yes, sir.
from 2017
Yes, sir.
to 2019 report. The
Yes.
forest state of the forests. So our forest cover has increased or decreased?
Sir, increased.
Increased.
Yes.
How much?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Okay. Did everything ଦେଖିବେ?
Yes, sir.
ଏଇଟା important ଜିନିଷ ଏଇଟା ଯେହେତୁ directly related ଆପଣଙ୍କର domain ସାଙ୍ଗରେ
Yes,
ତ
sir.
ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ପଡ଼ିବ
Yes.
ପଚାରି ଦେଇ ପାରନ୍ତି okay Campa is in news always
Yes,
so ସେଇଟା ଟିକେ ତାକୁ ଦେଖିବା ଓଡ଼ିଶା ବି ବହୁତ ଭଲ କରୁଛି
Yes, sir.
ଏଇରେ okay so okay tell me suppose you are traveling okay you have joined as an SCF
Yes, sir.
and you are traveling with your driver in an official car with a very important file.
Yes, sir.
That file has been given by your senior to give it to someone, a high officer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. While we are going to give him this file, so some miscreants, some people, they stop your car and they ask you to give them the file, or otherwise they will shoot you and your driver.
Yes, sir.
Okay. They have weapons with them. What are you going to do in that case? Will you agree to what they are saying, or you will not agree?
No, sir, I am not agree.
You will not agree. So
Yes.
they can harm you, they can shoot you because they are having the weapons.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Hmm.
I am trying to conversation with politely first,
Okay.
and then what they want, I will try to fulfillment, but not in giving the file.
Suppose they are that is their only demand. Give us the file, or we will shoot you.
Yes,
Then, in that case, what are you going to do?
In that case, I am trying to escape myself from them.
How will you escape? They have stopped the car, they have blocked the road, and they are having weapons. So, how do you plan to escape from that situation?
Sir,
Okay. But you will try. That means you will not give them the file,
yes, sir.
but you will try to escape. You will ask the driver to just start the car and try to leave the place.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the total forest cover
Yes, sir.
in Odisha? Total forest cover.
Sir, I am not recovering.
Okay. So, in your district, what is the total forest cover?
Sir, 9%, sir.
9%.
Yes.
Why so less? Any particular reason?
Sir, there are many flat land,
Okay.
and people, sir, converted the forest land into the agricultural land.
People have converted the forest land into agricultural land.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you know about forest fires?
Yes, sir.
Recently we had a big fire in Shimlipal.
Yes, sir.
So my question is, in case of forest fires,
Yes,
how
sir.
can we, control or prevent forest fires?
Sir, we can prevent the forest fire by the awareness of the local people, and sir, in the dry season, we must make fire line to protect the forest,
Okay.
and then, sir, in the dry spell, we continue visit to the forest and regulate the and investigate the forest, reserve forest.
Okay.
Yes, that's it.
Okay, fine. So, India's position in Afghanistan, India's treatment of the problem in Afghanistan,
Yes, sir.
what is your view? You agree with how the Indian government has worked till now in the problem of Afghanistan?
I don't know, sir.
ଏଇଟା ସବୁ ଓପିନିଅନ୍ ଆଉ କରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଫେୟାର୍ସ ବେସ୍ଡ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଠିକ୍
Yes.
ଅଛି। ତ ଏଠି କ'ଣ ନା ଆମକୁ ଯାହା ବି ହେଲେ କାରଣ ଏଇଟା ବେସିକ୍ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଏଇଟା କହିବା ପାଇଁ ପଡ଼ିବ। କରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଫେୟାର୍ସ ହେରିକା ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କହିବା ପାଇଁ ପଡ଼ିବ।
Sir, current affair prepare ହେଇନି ତ।
ହେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ତ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରିଦେବେ। କ'ଣ ଟିକେ ଟାଇମ୍ ଅଛି ଏବେ,
Yes, sir.
ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ମେଟେରିଆଲଟା ନେଇଯିବେ,
Yes.
ମେଟେରିଆଲଟା ନେଇକି ତାକୁ ଟିକେ କରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଫେୟାର୍ସ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଗୁଡ଼ା, କରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଫେୟାର୍ସ ନଟ୍ ଲାଇକ୍ ମେନ୍ସରେ ସେମିତି ନୁହଁ।
Yes, sir.
ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ କରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଫେୟାର୍ସଟା ଟିକେ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରିବାଟା ବେଟର୍।
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. So, my next question to you would be based on your hobbies. What are your hobbies?
Sir, playing basketball.
Playing basketball.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, but you just play like that, or you have played in professional, also?
Sir, I am the captain of OUT basketball team, and I represent my university in All India ICR meet.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yes.
So, who is your favorite player, basketball player?
Sir, in the team of Golden State Warrior, Kevin Durant.
Okay, and who is generally considered to be the greatest basketball player ever?
Sir, Michael Jordan.
He was playing from which team?
He was playing for Chicago Bulls, sir.
Chicago Bulls. Okay. And there is also a team called Lakers or something.
Yes, sir.
Who is the famous star player of Lakers?
Sir, Kobe Bryant.
Okay. What about the position of this sport in India? Is it very popular, or if it is not popular, why it is not popular?
Sir, the position of India is 73 rank in
73.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Rank in FIBA and 12th in the Asian game.
FIBA. What is FIBA?
The Federation of International Basketball Association.
Okay. So we also have an Indian association?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then tell me why it is so less?
So the scope of playing of basketball is not initiated from root level like a school level.
Okay.
It is mainly more of places of school are not available in the basketball court.
Okay.
So just like in Bhubaneswar city or Cuttack city and the famous university, they have basketball court and playing basketball. It is not implemented in the root level.
Okay.
So that's why the basketball is not famous.
Now suppose you are given the power and the finance
Yes, sir.
to popularize basketball
Yes, sir.
in India, or let's say in Odisha.
Yes, sir.
What are you going to do? How will you achieve it?
Sir, I am implemented in the root level, like primary school level, and then high school level, and then sir, I will conduct then basketball matches through different district as well as international level.
Okay.
And then I am invited the NBA junior, and sir, only the junior NBA comes in India, not the senior NBA. So I am trying to invite the senior NBA team
Okay.
to train and facilitate the players of India.
Okay. Good. So, do you think that some people say that other sports in India
Yes.
are not developed because all the funds are given to cricket?
Yes.
So, what is your thinking? Is that correct?
No, sir. Cricket is famous for India, but that's not mean all the funds are given to the cricket, because in the Khelo India program there are implemented so much events. So the government are implemented all the sport that money in all the sports.
Okay, so you use your word Khelo India.
Yes,
What
sir.
is that Khelo India? Can you tell me in details?
Sir, Khelo India program is the government's program in which the school level, university level students and the sports persons are participated in a different event.
Okay. And but it happens in every state?
Yes, sir.
Or it happens at state level or at national level? Khelo India Games
Yes, sir.
happens at state level or national level? Like each state has its own Khelo India, or there is a
No,
national?
no, no, sir. It is a national level.
Okay. Has Odisha ever hosted Khelo India?
No, sir.
Odisha has not hosted? You sure?
I'm not sure, sir.
Okay, এটা দেখিবে।
Yes, sir.
Okay, Khelo India টা কোন জায়গা থেকে হয়েছিল?
Sir.
Okay, so you have only one hobby, that is basketball.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now coming to your hobby we have done. Now coming to your optional subjects.
Yes, sir.
What are the optional subjects you have chosen?
Sir, forestry and agriculture.
Why?
Sir, I am a forestry graduate.
Hmm.
I completed my UG and PG in forestry course.
Hmm.
I worked on forest fire in 7th Forest Division of Odisha.
That is in which district?
Sir?
Sorry, what did you say? You worked in a particular district, you said?
Sir, 7 forest divisions.
You have worked in the 7 forest divisions
Yes, sir.
as a part of your curriculum.
Yes, sir. I worked in forest fire in my thesis work.
Thesis was regarding forest fire.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So what is your view about the Chandaka forest fire? Why did it spread so much and why we are not able to control?
Sir, Chandaka.
Oh, sorry, not Chandaka, your Shimlipal.
Sir, mainly, sir, it is happened in the dry spell, and when in the deciduous forest, mainly the leaves are properly dried, and in that time wind speed is generally more. So the fire is then the fire is not able to control easily.
Okay. Wind speed is high.
Yes, sir.
So what are the steps to take, because you have done your project work on that? What
Yes,
are the general steps you will take to stop that
Sir,
fire? Forest
sir,
fire?
fire line.
Mhm.
I meant to make the fire line, and in traditional method, I use village people as well the forest officer
Mhm.
to control the fire.
Okay. So why we are unable to control? I mean, in case of Shimlipal,
It is spread in vast areas, sir.
so forests are generally in vast areas only.
Yes, sir.
So suppose, there should be some plan of the government or some standard operating procedure through which these forest fires can be dealt with. Can you tell me something regarding that? Standard operating procedures means if there is a forest fire, what are the things to be done,
Yes.
etc.
No, sir.
No? Okay. So, 2 questions from your optionals.
Yes, sir.
Tell me something about in agriculture.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know about the various effect of various pests. Okay. Field pests, right, on the crops.
Yes, sir.
So, what are the most common pests for rice and how you can control them? Pests of rice.
Yes, sir.
Paddy.
Yes, sir. Sir, optional में prepare करना है.
Option का prepare करना है.
Yes.
ठीक है. So this was a basic question.
Yes,
Since
sir.
paddy is very important for our state.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know about joint forest management.
Yes, sir.
So tell me something regarding that.
Joint Forest Management, it is the organization of Forest Department.
Mm-hmm.
It is comes under the OFSDP.
Mm-hmm.
Joint Forest Management is
It comes under the,
OFSDP.
what is that?
Sir, Odisha Forest,
Mm-hmm.
Odisha Forestry Sector Development Project.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then continue.
Sir, in the JFM,
Mhm.
it is implemented in the society, in the village society,
Mhm.
in which forest department as well as the village people, common people are participated on it for the implementation of the afforestation,
Okay.
collection of NTFE
Okay.
and various resources of forest.
Okay. Fine. So my final question to you would be,
Yes.
what is the main reason, okay, or that I have already asked you this question, so I'm asking you again so that you can rephrase it or give me some better answer.
Yes, sir.
Why are you interested in joining the forest service?
Yes, sir. Sir, I am a forest graduate.
हाँ,
I-
ଏଇଟା ଯୋଉ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ଟାଇପର ଆନ୍ସରିଂ କରିବେ।
Yes, sir.
Sir, ଆପଣ ଯେତିକି I have three main reasons, n main reasons
Yes, sir.
to choose forestry as my career,
Yes, sir.
okay, or forest service as my career. My first reason is that it is my own domain of specialization.
Yes,
I have done my post-graduation, graduation, I have a PhD in forestry.
Yes, sir.
So that is the first thing. I can make the best use of the knowledge acquired in this particular domain.
Yes, sir.
Number one. My second reason is that it has been a childhood dream to join as a forest officer. Hello.
Yes, sir.
My third reason is the perks and the service conditions
Yes, sir.
are quite good for improvement of one's holistic personality. ठीक है जी?
Yes, sir.
तापरे आउरी भी आपण भाबिली आपण आउ कोन कहबे तो 1 2 3 4 5
एवढा.
जति आपनकर हां एटा खाली एई क्वेश्चन पई नुह जो कोनोसी क्वेश्चन रे आपण ओपिनियन पचरा है
Yes, sir.
आपण कोन भाबुछन एटा हेतिबा कथा हेले बोले त व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इंडियाज पोजीशन हियर एंड देयर ऑप्शन ओके जोटी आपण को ओपिनियन पचरुचंती
Yes, sir.
फर्स्ट ओपिनियन ता कहबे सर इन माय व्यू इट इज करेक्ट
Yes, sir.
okay and these are the reasons my first reasons is this
Yes, sir.
okay should CA be implemented or are the farm laws anti farmer
Yes, sir.
a type of question opinion based any question
Yes.
first tell them कौन आपको opinion yes no I'm in favor against जारी
Yes.
then give the reasons काहे की सेटा
Yes.
कुछ करो
Yes.
तो आपको आज जदि मु परफॉर्मेंस टा देखिबी based on today's performance okay आपको out of 200 marks you will get somewhere around 120 ठीक है
Yes.
60% but आपण चेष्टा करिवे 150 improve
Yes, sir.
okay dress sense appearance ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଭଲ ଅଛି
Yes.
eye contact was good କିନ୍ତୁ
Yes.
100% ନୁହଁ 93-94% ପାଖାପାଖି ଅଛି
Yes, sir.
but your aim is 100% okay
Yes, sir.
confidence is good ଆହୁରି ଟିକେ confidently କହିପାରିବେ
Yes, sir.
okay smile ଟା ରହୁନି ଟିକେ smile ରହିବା କଥା
Yes.
ତାହେଲେ କ'ଣ ନା situation ଟା control ହେଇପାରିବ
Yes,
ଯାହା
sir.
କହିଲେ content quality improve କରିପାରିବେ body language was good pressure handling ତ ମୁଁ କିଛି କୌଣସି pressure type of question ହିଁ ପଚାରିନି
Yes, sir.
so overall it is good ହେଇଯିବ general suggestions first suggestion ହେଲା daily 2 hours mirror interview
Yes, sir.
daily जो क्वेश्चन गुड़ा दिया है थी ताको ही प्रैक्टिस करिवे
Yes, sir.
ठीक है सेकंड आई कांटेक्ट
Yes, sir.
must be 100 okay 100% आई कांटेक्ट रहेगा तापरे स्माइल should be maintained. Good answer हो कुछ असुविधा नहीं
Yes, sir.
ठीक है जी, स्माइल शुड बी मेंटेन. Got it?
Yes, sir.